This is not looking good for cryptocurrencies and especially Bitcoin. As the FOMC meeting is nearby and also the federal fund rates, this could be a game changer. So let's get straight to the point. First of all, let's look at the upcoming US FOMC statement going to be held on May 3/7 3rd Type M Indian Standard Time. If the FOMC statement is more dovish than expected, is good for crypto because it's a tool the FOMC uses to communicate with investors about monetary policy. Now, talking about the US federal fund rate, last time the forecast was 5 and it came about to be same as 5. Well, this time, the forecast is of 5.25. There can be chances of getting same result as we are seeing from past few records. Now let's talk about some price action. The Bitcoin price is right now seeing on a bearish move. We can see a bearish divergence on 4-hour RSI, which indicates that there are sellers' pressure increasing in the market. And not only that, but on the daily time frame, we can see a head and shoulders pattern forming which could break out to the downside. Its targeted price could be $24,000 level, which is a very important level of support and resistance. Also, if we see this Fibonacci level that I have drawn in a bullish form from $19,500 to $31,000 level, seeing these fib levels on 4-hour time frame is showing us some support at $28,300 level. If the price breaks this level, then we can go up to $27,500 level or also below it at $26.700. Now talking about a one more small head and shoulder forming at the 4-hour time frame, which is indicating the price movement at the downside, but every pattern can break either up or down. The price target for this pattern is at approx $26,400 level, which there are chances to go down if there are sellers' pressure in the market. Now, some bullish news on Bitcoin. But before that, don't forget to claim your free $30,000 bonus from Bybit. By just making an account and depositing, you can get $30,000 for free. Check the comment sections to get that massive free gift. So there is a falling wedge that is being formed. And as we know, falling wedges are a bullish pattern. And so the price could break to the upside. If it successfully breaks, the first target could be $29,900 level, and the second target will be the top of the wedge, which is $31,000 level. So this it for Bitcoin price action. Let's talk about Ethereum now. In Ethereum, we can see some important trendly lines being formed, forming a pattern called as pennant, which can break anywhere either up or down. If it breaks above, then our target can be $1940 and second upward target can be at $2,000 level. If it breaks to the downside, then we can see the price fall at $1,780 level and second down target could be $1,700. And disclaimer guys, this is not a financial advice. All this analysis is for educational purposes only. Do your own research whenever or investing. So now, there is also a head and shoulder pattern being formed, which is a bearish reversal pattern. And if the price breaks with huge downside volume, then we can go up to $1,680 level and also could go to $1,590 level. Now talking about the important bearish fib levels that I have drawn, from the all-time high of Ethereum to the recent low, we can see that the price is struggling between the important levels at 0.236 and 0.382, making them as support and resistance. If the price breaks these levels either up or down with a massive volume, then we could see a huge bullish or bearish movement in the market. So guys, that's it for now. Don't forget to claim your free $30,000 gift by registering to Bybit and other platforms for free from the link in comment box and description below. That's all it for the video. See you guys next time. And don't forget to provide some valuable feedback to me, as I will improve my videos in future.